لا ينهاكم الله عن الذين لم يقاتلوكم. Allah is not preventing you from those who haven't fought you في الدين, in matters of religion. وَلَمْ يَخْرُجُوكُمْ مِنْ دِيَارِكُمْ, and haven't expelled you from your homes. أَن تَبَرُّوهُمْ وَتُقْسِطُوا إِلَيْهِمْ, that you be good to them and you be fair towards them. In other words, Allah says you should have good communal relations with anybody who's not your enemy. Allah didn't say all non-Muslims are enemies to you. Allah never talked about people that haven't fought you and they hate your religion and they haven't kicked you out of your homes. There's no harm in you in being good to them, in having fair, just relations with them. Inna Allah yuhibbul muqsitin. No doubt Allah loves those who implement transparent justice. This ayah is letting us know that our attitude towards non-Muslims is not that we hate them. It's not that we look down on them. It's not. Our attitude of animosity is those who have shown us animosity. The Muslim shows animosity to those who hate Allah's deen, who fight against it. Everybody else, Allah never told you that you shouldn't be good to them, that you shouldn't be fair towards them. You know, Inna Allah yuhibbul muqsitin. إنما ينهاكم الله عن الذين قاتلوكم في الدين. Allah only prevented such things, you people prevented you from those who fought against you in matters of deen. وَأَخْرَجُوكُم مِّن دِيَارِكُمْ, who expelled you from your homes. وَظَاهَرُوا عَلَى إِخْرَاجِكُم, and they transgressed and made advances, proclaimed that you should be expelled. أَن تَوَلَّوْهُمْ, that you should befriend them. Don't make friends with them and don't assume that they'll ever come to protect you. وَمَنْ يَتَوَلَّهُمْ, and whoever would befriend them and assume that they will be of protection to them, فَأُولَٰئِكَ هُمُ الظَّالِمُونَ, then those in fact are the ones that are the ultimate wrongdoers.